Good morning, everyone. Our topic for today's discussion is foreign exchange market. Foreign exchange market, also known as forex or FX or currency market, is basically over the counter global market space that determines the exchange rate for currency around the world. Participants are able to buy, sell, exchange, and speculate on currencies. Foreign exchange market are made up of banks, forex dealers, commercial companies, central banks, investment management firms, hedge funds, retail forex dealers, and investors. So by this we can say that foreign exchange market or forex market is a market where currency are traded. ऐसा market जहाँ currency की trading होती है. Forex market is world's largest financial market where trillions are traded daily. It is the most liquid among all the markets in financial world. Moreover, there is no central marketplace for exchange of currency in forex market. It is an OTC market. OTC is over the counter market. सो बाय दिस हमको क्या समझ आया, हमें ये समझ में आया कि फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मार्केट ओवर द काउंटर मार्केट प्लेस है जहाँ पर करेंसीज ग्लोबल करेंसी की ट्रेडिंग होती है. फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मार्केट इज ओवर द काउंटर मार्केट प्लेस दैट डिटरमाइंस द एक्सचेंज रेट फॉर ग्लोबल करेंसीज. It is by far the largest financial market in the world and is comprised of global network of financial centers that transact 24 hours a day, closing only on weekends. ये 24 hours के लिए इसका ट्रांजैक्शन चलता रहता है, सिर्फ वीकेंड्स पे ये क्लोज रहता है. Currencies are always traded in pairs, so the value of one of the currency in that pair is relative to the value of other. One of the most unique feature of forex exchange market is that it is comprised of global network of foreign center that transact 24 hours a day, closing only on weekends. ये हमने देखा, ये 24 hours के लिए transact होता है, बस weekends पे close होता है. As one major forex hub closes, another hub is in a different part of world remains open for business. This increases the liquidity available in currency market, which adds to it appeals as largest asset class available to investors. So foreign exchange market में हमने क्या देखा, यहाँ पर क्या होता है, यहाँ पे जो भी बायर है, सेलर है, करेंसी एक्सचेंज करने में इंटरेस्टेड है तो वो यहाँ पर आकर अपनी करेंसी एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं. इसकी कोई फिजिकल लोकेशन नहीं है, बट स्टिल ये 24 आवर्स के लिए ऑपरेट करता है. So foreign exchange market is a global online market network where traders buy or sell currency. It has no physical location and operates 24 hours a day. It sets the exchange rate for currency with floating rate. It is one of the largest and the most liquid financial market in the world. The demand and supply determine the difference in exchange rate, which in turn determines the trader's profit. This global market has two tiers. The first is the interbank market. It's where the biggest bank exchange currency with each other. Even though it is only has a few members, the trades are enormous. As a result, it dictates currency's value. The second tier is the over-the-counter market. That's where the company and individual trade. Over-the-counter market has become one of the popular because since there are now many companies that offer online trading platform, new traders starting with limited capital need to know about forex trading. It's risky because forex industry is not highly regulated and provides substantial leverage. The biggest geographic OTC trading center is in UK, United Kingdom. London dominates the market. A currency's quoted price is usually London's market price. And foreign exchange trading is basically a contact between two parties. There are three types of trades. The spot market is for the currency price at the time of trade. The forward market is an agreement to exchange currency at an agreed upon price on future date. The swap trade involves both. The dealer buys a currency at today's price on the spot market and sells the same in forward market. This way they have just limited their risk in future. No matter how much the currency falls, they will not lose more than the forward price. Meanwhile, they can invest the currency they bought on spot market. Now let's talk about interbank market. Interbank market is basically a network of banks that trade currency with each other. Each has a currency trading desk called dealing desk. They are in contact with each other continuously. That process makes sure exchange rates are uniform around the world. The interbank market includes three trades mentioned below. Banks also engage in SWIFT market. It allows them to exchange foreign exchange to each other. SWIFT stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications. Now let's talk about why the demand for currency is downward sloping. Sometimes we heard that currency की price कम हो रही है, तो क्यों होती है? When the exchange rate of a currency increases, other country will want less of that currency. When the currency appreciates, in other words, the exchange rate increases, then the price of good in the country whose currency has appreciated now became relatively more expensive than those in other countries. Since those goods are more expensive, less is imported from those countries and therefore less of that currency is needed. Most of the time student ask me कि मैम currency की price क्यों fall होती है? तो this is why the currency's demand goes downward. So that's all for today. Thank you.